Alright, today I'm working on the battery retainer. You can tell that this has nothing. So what I'm going to try to do is fabricate something out of this 1/4-inch rod that will actually go through here. And if you get an idea of it just coming through here, through the hole, and then I'll tap for a wing nut here, some threads on here. But this hook, as it goes around here, there's the opening and a hook that is supposed to come over. Well, this is what I found. I had some leftover rings from a chain that was been cut, so I saved it, and believe it or not, I filed it a little bit, and that's going to fit perfect there. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to weld this end here, okay, like that, cut it off the length I need from the rod, and then tap a thread on the end. So that's the idea. Let's see what happens, okay? Follow along. Alright, I have it lined up. I got it on my little welding. The table's grounded, and I'm going to put a tack there and see if I can get the hold, and then we can do the rest, okay? So, here goes. Let's see. It did not hold. Alright, so I'm going to have to hold that and hold this. I might have welded it to the table, but we're going to try to undo it, okay? I might have welded it to the table just by accident, but it's okay. We're going to try to get it free here. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then we'll rotate it over, get it flat. Okay, it's a little crooked, you can tell, so I'll straighten it out just a hair. And then we'll get the other side. We'll get this side welded, okay? See, a little straighter. What do you think? More. More. Oh, that's a little straighter. Okay, let's get that welded up. Okay, another one over here. Okay, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to grind it down and see where I am, and then we'll go from there, okay? Hold on. Okay, I ground it smooth. That looks pretty good. It's not perfect, but I think it's plenty strong enough to do the job, okay? So now I'm going to measure it for length, and then let's tap. Alright, I'm just running the 1/4 by 20 tap down to the length that I want. It's going in slow, but hey, you know, that's the way we want it. We want it to work good. So I'm gonna take it down to where I think it needs to be, and then we'll run the wing nut on, okay? Give me a second. Alright, I just took the die off. Let's see if it fits. This is a 1/4 by 20 wing nut. Perfect. Let's take it over there and see if we did a good job, okay? Alright, let's see if the first one fits, okay? So I still have to clean it up and paint it and whatever, but you know, we need to do what we need to do. So that fits in there, and that goes in there. I'll put a washer on this end, and then we'll put the wing nut down, okay? And I think that's pretty good. I think that's going to work pretty well right there, okay? That's going to secure the battery, and that's it. One more job done, okay? Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. See you again next time. Bye now.